Do you want a high probability pullback strategy for trading pound dollar? I will show you a very accurate method using a simple price action and support and resistance. We will start with a theory for beginners and I will show you the exact setup and entry that you should look for. Then I will share with you a real pullback trade on pound dollar pair that we spotted on a live stream with my students. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and learn how this strategy works. For this pullback strategy we will use two time frames. A daily time frame for market analysis and an hourly time frame for entry confirmation. Your main task on a daily time frame will be to analyze supports and resistances. That is how your complete daily time frame analysis should look like. You should identify the market trend. You can see that pound dollar pair is now trading in a strong bullish trend, and in this trend you should find at least two strong resistances and at least two supports. And you can see that instead of underlining single key levels, I underline the support and resistance zones. That will help you more accurately predict the pullbacks. In uptrend, I recommend trading from supports, and in downtrend, I recommend trading from resistances. After the identification of supports and resistances, strictly wait for its test, because we will strictly look for pullback trades only from the structures. After that, start analyzing hourly time frame for confirmation. In that example, we have a pound dollar pair trading in a bullish trend on a daily time frame. For a pullback trade, we will look for the test of the supports, because from the supports we will have the trend following trades. So we should wait for the test of at least our first support before we start looking for entry confirmation. Your buy signal from a support will be a formation of any bullish price action pattern. The best ones are the inverted head and shoulders pattern, double bottom and triple bottom, ascending triangle, and the cup and handle pattern. That is the exact model of trading pullbacks from daily supports. You can see that on a daily we should have a test of a daily support. After the test, you start analyzing the hourly time frame and you start looking for a bullish price action pattern. In that case, we have a double bottom and you should underline the neckline of the pattern. You should let the price break and close above the neckline of the pattern. Hourly candle close above the neckline will confirm the violation. Then set your buy limit order on a retest of a broken neckline. Your target will be the closest intraday resistance and your stop loss will lie below the lows of the pattern. And for example, if you have the inverted head and shoulders pattern, your stop loss will lie below the head of the pattern. Your sell signal from a resistance will be a formation of a bearish price action pattern on an hourly time frame. And here are the best and the most reliable patterns: the head and shoulders pattern, the triple and double top, the inverted cup and handle, and the descending triangle. And that's the exact model for pullback short trades. On a daily time frame, we'll wait for a test of a resistance, of one of the resistances that we spot. Then on an hourly time frame, we look for a bearish price action pattern. In that example, we have a head and shoulders pattern, and our trigger, our confirmation, is the breakout and an hourly candle close below its horizontal neckline. Then we set our sell limit order on a retest of a broken neckline. There will be our entry for the trade. Stop loss will lie above the highs of the pattern, and our take profit will be the closest strong intraday support. Following this simple rules, we found a pullback trading setup on a pound dollar pair on a live stream with my students. Watch the recording of the live stream and see how we treated it. This morning I decided to buy pound dollar pair, and though from a current perspective the position in a drawdown still I wanted to discuss that with you because there's still a chance that the price will go up. What I see on a pound dollar pair on the daily time frame, I see a test of a significant support cluster. You can see that on a daily time frame, analyzing the historic price action, we can spot a very significant support cluster, the one that the price respected for years, the one that the price respects over time, and the one from where we saw a lot of significant bullish and bearish movements in the past. Previously, it was a strong resistance, and 1, 2, 3 times it was respected as the resistance, and then it was broken with Trump tariffs and all that stuff. And after a recent rapid growth, the price started to correct finally, and yesterday the market closed testing that support cluster. From that support cluster, I was looking for the confirmation to buy. I was looking for signal to open a long position and analyzing the price action on intraday time frames. This morning on the 4-hour time frame, I spotted quite a peculiar doji candle. On that, you can see that the price was falling quite rapidly. You can see that the price was falling sharply, but once our support was reached, we formed the doji candle. That implies that the excess of the market supply was absorbed by the demand that was accumulated within that blue zone. And the final confirmation to open a long trade was based on the hourly time frame analysis. On an hourly time frame, I spotted nice double bottom pattern. That was the pattern that the price formed. The pattern was formed during the New York session yesterday, and you can see that the neckline of the pattern was broken during the Asian session today. You can see that the neckline was violated. We closed above that, and for many hours we were staying above the neckline. And watching how the price acted this morning, I managed to pick nice entry for the trade. I managed to buy pound dollar with the formation of this bearish candle. On an hourly time frame, I have the active long position on the pound dollar pair now, with the stop loss lying below the lows of the pattern. We can anticipate a bullish movement to the closest strong intraday resistance. And from such a perspective, yes, you would agree with me that we have a strong resistance over here, so we can aim at that structure. So as I said, the trade is now active. I'm holding this long position on the pound dollar pair. You can see that now the price is trading below the entry, and the position now in a drawdown. We'll keep holding. And because there are no high impact news for today, we will just keep holding till the price reaches take profit or stop loss. And here's what happened after hours of waiting. And that's what we got. At night, pound dollar pair finally started to grow. The price went up and the target was reached. With that trade, we managed to make more than 70 pips. We gained 77 net pips with this long trade. Most traders use wrong entry rules for trading pullbacks, while the strategy that I showed you is simple, clean, and profitable. It will help you to easily trade pullbacks on a pound dollar or any other forex pair. Let me know, traders, if you have any questions. Join my trading academy and watch how I trade live. For more info, check the link in the description below. Also, traders, please watch my other videos.